All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about featured templates. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of show you some of the featured categories currently on Trello. And this is based on this year, 2021, and this is the date is May 28th, 2021. So if you're watching this on a later date, let's say it's 2022 or later, this page may be different, just so you know, to give you a heads up ahead of time. All right, but what I want to say is they're going to show you featured templates and categories, and more so categories than templates. But this is where it would be shown. Okay, so if there's a featured template that they want you to know about, this is where it's going to be. So they have business, so it's featured categories. So business, design, education, engineering, marketing, project management, and remote work. Okay, so these are the featured templates, or categories I should say, inside of the templates area for Trello. And one of the reasons why it's important to understand templates is it's a pivotal part of your Trello experience, because there may be a template that works for exactly what your workflow is, or there may be a template that works on top of what you already have. And what I mean by that is the Trello template could be a framework or an introduction to your workflow, and then you can build on top of that to make it even better, to be more efficient and more productive in what you're working on. So that's featured categories. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.